Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will go over the new grading tool in Google Classroom. First, you need to log into your Google for Education account, go to the class, and click on the classwork page. Find the assignment that you want to grade, click on View Assignment, and you will see your class roster on the left side and any attachments that the students handed into you on the right side. Simply click on the attachment that you want to open up and grade, and you will see this whole new grading tool available here. This grading tool makes the grading process and feedback process much easier for teachers. So first, you can click on this down triangle, and you can go to a student directly in your class. So if you had 30 students in your class, there would be 30 students listed here, and you can select that student and their work will appear in the screen on the screen. You can also go through the students by clicking on the previous and the next arrows here to page through each student one at a time. This area here is their document, their content that they handed into you. This is a comment bank here where I can add comments and refer to them all the time, so I don't have to keep typing them over and over. If I wanted to add a comment, I simply click on Add to Comment Bank. My comment will appear here, and if I wanted to delete a comment, I can select the three-dot menu, hit delete. I can hit edit or copy to the clipboard. So at this point here, I can add a grade. I can see my private comments that I've had given to my students right here. I can add more if I wanted to. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to leave feedback for my student. So I'm going to highlight the information that I want to leave feedback on, hit the add a comment, and my commenting tool in Google Docs will open. If I want to refer to any comments from my comment bank, I type the hashtag and I can select the comment from the comment bank, and now that comment is recorded on my Google Doc. I can leave a grade here. If I wanted to, I can change the total points right here. So let's just say we'll give her a 99, just because I want you to be able to see the changes. And I can add a private comment here if I wanted to. I can post that comment, and when I'm all done, I can hit return, and the student will have the work returned to them when they log into Google Classroom. If I go back to my assignment detail page, you can see here that the grade is reflected. Now if I log in as a student, now I am as a student, and I go into the classwork page. The classwork page shows the assignments that are graded and returned in a gray grayed out icon here. So the student has to be a little bit more conscientious of the assignments on and on their grade. So if I click on View Assignment, it shows the new grade, and I have access to my private comments as well. I hope you found this screencast helpful.